Hello and welcome back to the MS Word tutorial series. In this video, we are moving forward inside the Insert tab and exploring a very useful section, the Links group. This includes Hyperlink, Bookmark and cross-reference. These tools help you connect different parts of your document or link to other files and websites. I'll show you how this works one by one. Let me talk about the link first. It is also called the hyperlink. So to insert a hyperlink, just go to Insert tab and in the link section you can click link or simply press Ctrl K. You can add three different types of hyperlink: an existing file or web page, or a link to another place in the same document, or simply you can link an email address too. But we will see how to link our existing file as well as the web page and the place in this document. So let me show you how it works. Just select the text you want to convert it into a link and type or select your destination and press OK. So for that, I will just go to a browser and copy one URL of the Canva website, and I will place this URL or the website link in the address bar and just click on OK. Now you can see the text color has changed. Now to check whether it is working or not, just press the Control button and click on this word. Now you can see a website that has been linked to this particular word has already opened. So this is how the hyperlink works. Now let me show you another example by linking another place in the same document. So for that, I will select Word and just click on the link. And I will choose place in this document and I will search for a particular topic in the same document so that I can jump to that place in the document. So after that, you can just click on OK, and let's again check whether it is working or not. So again, you have to hold the Control button and click on this link. Now you can see we have jumped to that particular section of this document, and this is very useful when you are working with the long reports or assignments or ebooks. Now finally, I will show you how you can link a particular file that is existing in your computer. For that also you need to select the word and just click on the link, and this time you have to choose the existing file or web page and you can browse the file which one you want to link. Select and click on OK, and again you just press the Control button and click on that particular word, and your existing file or the file that you have linked will be opened. So this is how the link section works. Now let's talk about the another section, that is the bookmark. So bookmark is also another type of link. Bookmark help you mark a specific place in your document so you can jump back to it anytime. To insert a hyperlink, just place your cursor where you want the bookmark, go to Insert Bookmark and give it a name. And after giving a name, you just click Add. So this is how you can add a bookmark. Now let's see how it works. So bookmark, here is not looking or visible any symbol of the bookmark. It may be hidden, so we can go to the option menu, just click on the advanced and just scroll a little bit down, and you can see show bookmark. So it is unchecked. Now check this and click on OK. Now you can see bookmark symbol, a bar. Let's see how it works. So I have added the bookmark. Now when you go to the home section, you can find or you can jump to that place with the help of the bookmark. Just go to the home tab and click on the find that is under the editing section. Now under the find, you can click on go to and choose the bookmark and select the name of the bookmark that you have already created and just click on go to. Now you can see we have jumped to that particular place in the document. So this is also very useful when you are working with long documents that has many sections. So it's easy to jump to that particular section where you have added a bookmark. Now let's talk about the third one, that is the cross-reference. Cross-references help you link to captions, headings, tables and numbered items inside document. So to add the cross-reference, you just need to click on the insert section, and in the link section just click on cross-reference and choose a particular section of your document as a reference. So as you can see, I want to give the reference to the tables, and just whenever you want the reference for the table or any section of your document, you can just click on that reference and you can directly jump to that particular section of your document. And that's how you use hyperlink, bookmark and cross-reference at the insert tab. These tools make your document more interactive and easier to navigate. Stay tuned because next we will cover the header and footer group inside the insert tab. I hope you have understood. Thanks for watching.